Let's plan week 16 in my Laurel Denise Kristy planner. I really enjoyed how this past week worked out. It's so colorful, so fun. I love little Disney stickers. I think that the washi worked really well. I did add more things in the days and it worked out totally fine. I think the colorful highlighters just pop and make it even better. It's so nice to have a place that I can go back to look at what we did, what was going on week after week. I think I've said this in the past that, I'll forget when I groomed the dog last and I can come in here and I can find it. So it's just been so great to have this planner. I'm excited to plan next week. I think I'm gonna continue with some of the same stickers. Well, I am definitely gonna stay with the same weekly stickers because I have a pack for that from my Happy Place stickers. And then I am going to sprinkle in some other fun things as well. Not sure what those are gonna be, but I'm gonna turn this around and let's set up week 16 together. Here is a look back at week 15, and as you can see, I filled it in pretty well. I liked how these stickers worked, the washi down here. I didn't really time block, but I have that right here, and that was included in my Happy Place sticker pack. And then I did remember to go back here and fill in my habit tracker because this is for the whole month. I did not read at all. I need to get on to the reading. So that was a really fun Easter week. This looks really good. I love how this is, I'm using this. Again, I'm not really using all the spaces that I have, but that's okay. I don't need to fill it all in to be happy with how it's going, but I do like having these boxes to kind of just highlight certain things that I'm doing on different days. And then we've got week 16. So let's get into doing week 16. I have these My Happy Place stickers that I've got to use. Where are the ones that I'm going to use? Yes, this one. So I have yellow up here. This is my reminder that I'm going to be using the yellow ones right here. And then I have these banner stickers here. So I think I'm going to use the yellow and yellow because next week is going to be green and I'll use these. And then if I use the 5th week, I'll use these two together. So, and I didn't use any of these, so I need to think about those as well. So let's do this first and I'll be quiet and we'll set it up together. I think that's everything I'm going to put on here now. I am going to find some stickers from Planner Kate. I'm going to go through I have a booklet that I keep all my extra stickers in. So maybe I'll use like these because they're the green and the yellow. You know what, maybe I'll just pull those out and use that for my appointments because I like to move them around. And the My Happy Place stickers are funny that I pulled up this one. So yeah, I could use these up. And they kind of go, yeah, they go, orange. And so I keep all my extra Planner Kate stickers in here. It's just a album that you can get on their website. So I have it by month. And that way I can find any of my extra stickers and use them. So I figure I'll use these for movable meetings so that I don't have to write through them or cancel them or whatever if they move, because a lot of my meetings do end up shifting. So I will fill these in later. But as far as just a basic, just setup, this is what I'm going to go for. I still have a ton of these stickers for Easter that I didn't use the first week when it was actually Easter. So this, I didn't realize was so long. That's okay. I can't lift this up. If this had been a Planner Kate sticker, I would have cut it and lifted it up, but I'm okay with that. I just wanted to use these, and I love just the colors and the patterns, which makes it really, really fun. And then I'll fill in everything we're doing later. So that's just a quick look of week 16. It's just coming together so nicely. They all work really well together. Love the little Disney stickers. I think I need more stickers. I say that every single week. I need to put that on my to-do list and get more decorative stickers because I don't have that many books. Some of them are specific to the seasons. I have the one Disney one and it's like spring, summer, fall, winter. And then I have one that has like some quotes in it. So that's really not enough. I need more stickers because I do like putting these boxes in here and then adding some fun deco stickers, as they're called. It just makes me happy. So that is week 16. Thank you so much for hanging out with me this week. I love doing these videos. I love sitting here and planning it out, thinking about it, and then it's fun to do a video and post it and then chat with you in the comments. So don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what you're going to be doing for week 16. What stickers are you using for the month of April? Will you use the same ones for the last week or not? I'm on the fence because now I figured out that I can use the 5th week in my Happy Place stickers, or will I go back to Planner Kate? Not sure. I need to order my June stickers. I saw that they are released in Planner Kate. So I think I'm gonna do a little sticker shopping, more sticker shopping, because I seem to have a need for more stickers. Kind of crazy. So if you have not already, hit the like and subscribe. Don't forget to do that. You'll get notified when the next video goes up, and I will see you next week for week 17.